Hello, here is a video on how to play Spanish Caballero in the second edition Piano Adventures Faber book series. It's the 2B book, the orange book, and it's page 12 through 13. You're playing a 2-page piece. The time signature is 3/4. Hopefully you practiced the cross-hand arpeggios like this. Okay, so we're playing broken chords and then we're crossing one hand over and playing the root of that chord. The other thing is we have a new symbol, a new articulation, a tempo. It means to return to the original tempo. Why would we need to return to the original tempo? Well, because we left it earlier. So if you look carefully in your music, if you have a copy of the music, there are some retardandos. So we slow down at the end of certain phrases. Then as we get back into the music, we go back to the original tempo. So here we go. I'm going to slowly play through this piece and then I'll play it a little faster. Watch out for this E major chord. We have a G sharp here. Here's the slow down. And then we go back to the original tempo. Even though it's not written the same, it's written between the two hands, we're about to play an A minor chord on measure 9. This is the same chord we played at the beginning with just our left hand, but now we're here. And it says put my second finger here. So here we go. I'm going to play the next part. It has the same rhythm, so this time I'm going to count the rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, and... So this time I played a G major chord. Now I'm going back to my A minor chord. You should always know what chord you're playing and what beat you're on. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Not a 4, that should be a 1. Silly me. It was my fourth finger though. Now we go back down to a G chord. I'm playing these short and loud because I have staccato dots and accents, and then I have an accent, but it's a dotted half note, so I hold for 3 counts. Now we repeat. It's mezzo piano, so I play the little choir. We slow down, and then we have a different chord. Before we went to A minor, but here only our right hand changes note, goes up to E, but our left hand is going to play a G sharp and a B. This gives us an E major chord in first inversion. So now we have our beginning again, but an octave lower. Almost missed it. It says play both hands an octave lower. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Slow down again, and then back, 2. Even lower, you probably can't see where my hand went. Let me move my camera. It's way down there. Just an octave lower on E and B. Let me play that ending again. I like to add a little retardando there. It fits the rest of the piece. Okay, let's play through that piece again, and when we get to the end, I want you to just remember that I'm moving down an octave from this EB to the lower, really low EB. gonna hold it until it sounds like a nice time to release. Lift your wrists up softly, let them float off the piano and get a nice smooth release from the instrument. Okay, I think that's a pretty good tempo. It says 144, so I guess you could play it a little faster, da 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 da, even to 168, so you could even play it this fast. Which would lead the next section to be like this. That's fun. That's a fun tempo too. So, but play it choosing the slightly slower tempo to help see what's going on. Okay, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and have fun with this piece. This is a really fun piece. All right, see you next time.